Not playing any more games, guys. Get familiar. This might do it. Spackle. Goes on pink, dries white. Alright. I think we're in business. Shout out to Ace Hardware Store, the helpful place, literally. So again, getting my hands dirty. Gotta learn how to fix a few things around the place that I'm at right now. A little doorknob action, a little spackling. Didn't know about spackling. I learned something new today. But yeah, man, the only place where you actually want customer service and they were actually there. You just say, hi, can I help you today? No, I'm good. This time, please, Lord help me. I need all the help I can get. So we got some screws for some of the appliances and that I want to fix and touch up. A little doorknob work as well. Literally destroyed it. One day I was locked out, so gotta pay my dues. So that was a successful trip. Learned something new. What you guys know about the Spackle? I know something about the Spackle. We got the Spackle, baby. We in good shape. And also note to self. Always travel with your student card. That had some nice teacher student rewards. The beauty of having my student card is that you can be a student when there's no expiration date, baby. All right, here we are, back, rehab mode. We were able to get the piece of the doorknob in place, relined it up, had to cut a little chip of wood in here. Back in the lab, didn't have the right tools, but I did what I had to do, measured it, cut it up. Now we're looking like we're back in action, about to apply the so-called spackle and put it to work. See what we can do here. Tune back in. How about that? We all set and done. That's right. I'm not playing. We told you we were serious. So we put the spackle on there. Covered it up. We're gonna touch it up a little bit of paint later, but just like that, we got what looks like a monstrous destruction into a doorknob that is functional. So I'm gonna leave it open so it can dry, but more or less a little bit of work. I mean, this is so light, but it's just flexing the muscle, taking ownership. Let's get it. Take myself seriously. But anyways, that was a good fix. I seem to have this thing with doorknobs. I always tend to find a way to figure them out, whether it's this place or another place, or it's the least you can do, right? Only outsource what you can't do. And if you have the means and the time, flex the muscle until we delegate what we can't do. So, on that note, feeling pretty hype right now. Let's get it. Well, how do you like that? Whoo! What do they say? When another door closes, another one opens, baby. Let's get it. Let's build.